Can game-based learning, GBL, help teach research skills to postgraduate students? Research skills and critical aptitudes are crucial for higher education students, yet the literature identifies widespread lack of satisfaction and engagement in research skills courses. How to Fail Your Research Degree is a non-digital educational game which mirrors research in a humorous way. There are 4 phases, building appropriate activities, interspersed with events that impact the fictional project, alongside active reflection. Research through design focuses on mapping learning mechanics to game mechanics and gameplay loop analysis in order to understand how learning is achieved in this context. There is no evidence of GBL strategies being used within postgraduate research skills teaching, making this approach a novel intervention. Evaluation tested the game's effectiveness in achieving its intended learning outcomes and the experience of gameplay itself. Quantitative and qualitative responses show extremely high levels of perceived success. Using the attention, relevance, confidence, satisfaction theoretical framework, high levels of engagement and relevance were identified amongst players. An interesting observation was an identified tension between knowledge acquisition and confidence levels as students realised how much they still had to learn. There was a strong positive correlation between learning and experience scores, suggesting that learning and emotional outcomes are well balanced. A smaller scale longitudinal survey confirms the positive outcomes were retained over a 6-month period. How to Fail Your Research Degree possesses high cognitive authenticity and is perceived as a very effective educational tool. However, it relies heavily on skilled tutor facilitation to guide discussions and reflections. These results support the integration of GBL approaches in postgraduate education, particularly for teaching complex high-level skills such as research competencies.